Okay, this is what my house looks like. It is Saturday morning. I have done all the cleaning routines throughout the week. Friday night, we do often have a little bit of a chilled night and I don't really do much at all. I do have some socks in the washing machine and I'm going to put my towels on. So all the washing I will do. Down here, it is looking very messy. I will be using this in just a minute. Sometimes I just chuck stuff in a clothes basket. I clean and then deal with it later. It was actually full, so I've put a lot of it away during the week. This is Tahlia's room. This is my room. It's not perfect. There is a thing over here because I did have a bit of a migraine during the week. So I'm just gonna share with you what I quickly do on a Saturday morning. And this is my time. Like, this is the time where I wanna do my things that I enjoy. So this is why I do my cleaning throughout the week. And this should be something really quick and easy. It's like a top-up clean, you can say.
How do I deal with what I'm feeling? Maybe I just don't.
Of course, there's a sticker.
What you do when I'm in ruins, all alone. I'm all alone. And I know nothing to do helps me forget about you. You just came out of the blue. If you only knew. Didn't have a cup of coffee, let's go to a restaurant, go to a field, pick up some strawberries, then maybe let's fall in love. Didn't have a cup of coffee, let's go to a restaurant, to a field, pick up some strawberries, then maybe let's fall in love. Didn't have a cup of coffee, let's go to a restaurant, to a field, pick up some strawberries, then maybe let's fall in love. The feelings I feel when you come near me, all I can see is you and me together, building a future forever, loving till eternity. I see.
So after I've done my 3 cleaning zones for the week, I go ahead and I do things like my life admin tasks and just those monthly and fortnightly sort of like cleaning tasks that I need to do.
Seriously, why is the cat hair in the fridge every single time? I have no idea why.
Here I am, just trying to run the race in the slow pace. All I'm trying to do is run, not win, and all they do is mirror, mirror, tell me what is it about them? Living like it's their game. Come and said it better than me. You'll just end up losing. We're in a house made of glass, devils in disguise. I can see right through your eyes, baby. I can see your lies. We're in a house.
This is how the inside of the fridge looks after it's had a really good clean. And I did find some little gems in here that were basically out of date, so I need to check that basket a little bit more often. I'm really good at checking the veggies and everything like that. But yeah, this is what my fridge is looking like because I will be doing another grocery shop in another few days time. And these are some of the containers. As you can see, I didn't dry them all and put them back in, so the others will drip dry and they'll be ready to put in the morning so that I can focus on another task and go from there. Next job is to fix this pantry situation. You can see going on. Just things need to be decanted and just put back in their right spot. Things sometimes get dumped on this shelf, unfortunately, especially when I do my grocery shop or things, or I'm in a hurry and things like that. So I'm just gonna go and fix that now.
Your heart away. You wanted to fight this feeling. I thought it was nothing, we turned into something else.
This is how this area is looking, nice and back to its former glory. Yay! It usually does look pretty good, I promise, guys. So I purchased these little guys. They are just whiteboard pens, so they're still a texture. I don't know why they call them pens, but anyway, they've just got a super fine point on it. So you can see up here like how messy it looks. So the idea is that it's going to make this look heaps neater, but I can also color code it. So I was hoping to get another texture so I could do one color for the date and then one color for my appointments and one color for Tahlia's, but they only had 2 different colors. So hopefully when the Office Works gets redone in our town, because they're making it heaps bigger, they'll have a bigger selection. But we're gonna go and do this one now. Look at the difference it's made just using the whiteboard pen rather than the big thick texture. Crazy. So much easier to read and neater.
When you first said it was over, yeah, it all went black. Didn't get any closure, like a heart attack. But then you came back with flowers, explaining for hours how you intend on winning me back. How could I have known you were still half detached? And I hoped things would change, but I know where you were last night. Yeah, I know what you did last night. I can smell her all over your t-shirt. Pull the knife straight out of my back. Next time do a better job to cover up your tracks. I can smell her all over your t-shirt. I bet you didn't think I'd be strong enough to leave.
Yep, now it's time to deal with this mess that's going on in here.
You love to take advantage, and it always done. But I'm not afraid to say that I'm pulling away, 'cause I'm done biting my tongue. You wanna try and have it all, embrace for the fall. I hoped things would change, but
Seriously?
I know where you were last night. Yeah, I know what you did last night. I can smell her all over your t-shirt. Pull the knife straight out.
Still waiting on this to go. Could take a long time. You can see how much better it looks in here. I will clean the floor when I jump in the shower. But yeah, looks so much better. Nice, neat and tidy again. Okay, some of the other things that I like to do at night time is to get on top of my life admin stuff. So I'll be really honest, I got really behind on this and my stress levels were at like 200. I knew I had like all these things I had to do that were going to take me hours and hours, and they were building up and it was just making me crazy. So I spent a whole day, literally a whole day, getting all this stuff done. And yeah, I'm on top of it now, but I'm determined not to let it get that bad ever again. So I have incorporated it one night a week that I'm going to dedicate to life admin. But one of the things that I did want to share with you right now is how I write my to-do list, because I think this is so important into ways of getting things ticked off and to prioritize. This is my to-do list that I wrote up, which is quite weird looking, but yes, I have 5 areas. So I've got business, YouTube, Tahlia, work, and then personal. So from here, I only wrote the priority things that had to get done. Okay, so this is what was hanging over my head. And now that I've got these things, majority of it pretty much done, I can now just go along and add to this, but the things that I'm adding are not going to be my priority. But the reality is I went, okay, what are my huge must-dos that I have to get done? My priorities that are hanging over my head that are just killing me right now. Let's get them all down. And I've pop them under each category. This is pretty much where I'm at with everything, and I'm almost done at ticking it all off. So I'll get that done this week and I can add to it and never let it get this bad. So guys, all I can say about this zone cleaning that I have been doing is that it has been working absolutely amazing. I've been doing it for months now, actually. And yeah, it's worked really, really well. But I think the reason why it works so well for me is because I have a decluttered space. And I know that if I did have, say, darker color furniture or not mirrored pieces, I probably wouldn't have to clean them as much. But the reality is it's still going to be dirty anyway. It's just not going to show up. So it's probably kind of really disgusting. So it's probably good to clean it anyway. But yeah, honestly, I can say I'm going to thank all the decluttering and organizing that I've done in the past for what is going on now, for how quick it is to clean my house and how stress-free my environment is. So I definitely advise it. If you do want some inspiration on it, I do have plenty of videos on my channel, so definitely go and check them out. And if you do need some more cleaning motivation, again, I have cleaning motivation videos for you guys if you want to check them out. So if you do have any suggestions for me, please leave them in the comment below. If you're new here, I'd love you to be part of our family, so don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And I'll catch up with you guys next week for a new video. I'll see you then. Bye.